Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you which fuse to check in case you're having problems with the parking sensors. First thing to check is always the fuse because it's the easiest to replace, and then if the fuse is not good then you'll have to dig deeper. You might have to test each of the sensors, check the wiring, connections and things like that, but like I said, first things first, check the fuse. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now this fuse will be located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel just behind this black cover right here. Now to access the fuses, you just want to pull the cover towards yourself. And I will zoom in and turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it better. So here you have access to all of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check will be this small 7.5 amp fuse located right here. And this is the fuse number F32. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.